Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll show you how you can subdivide, so let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is pretty simple, just select the cube. Now press on your keyboard Shift and then right click and subdivide. You can subdivide. If you want to subdivide again, you can subdivide. Because if you subdivide as many times as you want, probably your computer will start to, or Blender will crash. But as you can see right now, I've subdivided X times. I don't know how many times, but that I subdivide this cube a lot of times. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial saved you time and helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and also if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you.